Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the mobile version of Depop, a social shopping app built for buying and selling fashion, especially secondhand and vintage items. A mix of marketplace and social media, Depop lets users create storefronts, follow others, and connect through likes, comments, and messages. On opening the app, you'll find a feed of fashion listings tailored to your style. You can explore by categories like Y2K, streetwear, vintage, or accessories. Listings include multiple photos, pricing, size, and seller notes. Buyers can message sellers to ask questions or negotiate, or buy instantly using secure in-app payment options. Selling is easy. Snap photos, write a caption, set a price, and post. Using hashtags boosts visibility, and users can cross-promote on Instagram. The app provides shipping tools and lets sellers manage orders through their profile dashboard. Depop's pros include its youth-driven community, sleek layout, and sustainability through fashion resale. It's especially appealing for creatives, thrifters, and anyone wanting unique style without fast fashion. Features like favorites, follows, and curated feeds add a social touch to shopping. However, there are some cons. Depop takes a 10% commission from every sale. There's no authentication for designer goods, which means shopping luxury requires extra caution. Some users report late payments, inactive buyers, or occasional bugs that affect listing uploads or navigation. So, is Depop worth using? If you want to buy or sell standout pieces, build a fashion following, or just love sustainable style, it's a creative platform that blends commerce with community. Just stay smart when dealing peer-to-peer and know the app fees. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or other inquiries, refer to the description for email.